Get ready!
Wow, Sophia, the first is purple.
Ooh!
Wow, Hello Kitty is pink.
Awesome!
Ooh, Mickey Mouse is red.
Awesome!
Pikachu is yellow. Anna, blue. Which one should I eat first? Sophia the first, Hello Kitty, Mickey Mouse, Pikachu, or Anna? I would have Anna first. Wait, I get some water.
Wow!
Wow, look at that stuff on the table. Let me look closer. There's some colorful lollipops. They look yummy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Uh-oh.
Huh? Where are my lollipops?
Aww.
I need to investigate. There, a spyglass.
Woo!
Owlet, you take my lollipops.
Uh-oh.
There it is, 1 stick. Another one. I already found 4 sticks. I'm getting closer. I got the last one, so yummy.
Uh-oh.
Ouch, my tummy hurts.
Aww.
Ow. Huh, Cici? Ow. What's wrong with you, Cici? So you ate my lollipops? Yeah, I'm sorry. I didn't know it's yours. Come on. Here's the pillow. Don't do it again, Cici. Next time you can ask first. Okay, I'm sorry. Okay.